Hey friends, it's Jaime here from Pretty Prudent. I hope you all had awesome holidays and that you are as excited about 2015 as I am. So I'm making this video because I am obsessed with getting organized this year, and I had a really fun idea about a way to do that. I made this family base station and I love it. It's based around this VTech cordless phone and extending the simplicity and convenience of our landline to our functional family base station. This organization obsession really started with this idea of creating a family hub, by which I mean getting ourselves off our screens and spending more time interacting with each other every day. There's something about having our smartphones and on-demand TV that's just different from when I was growing up. My mom always made sure that we ate dinner together as a family and talked about our day. She had a whole system that made our family run smoothly, with no help from apps or alerts or literally any kind of digital media. There's just something about the way she handled our lives that I want to bring to my own family. Case in point, my smartphone holds literally all of my information, my schedule and my numbers, and without it I start feeling lost, which is a bummer because I forget where I left it all the time. I've lost it in the couch cushions, under the bed, and in the chicken coop. But I've never lost my landline, and even if I do lose my cordless handset, there is a locate button on the base, so I know it will be easy to find. When I lose my cell, I lose all sense of what is supposed to be happening in my life, and I am sick of it. So in 2015, I do not want to rely on my cell as the only source of information in my life. So I am digitally detoxing and getting reorganized right here in real life. I'm so glad that I decided to install a landline, and this affordable and durable VTech cordless phone does everything I need it to do. No matter where my smartphone or laptop are hiding, I have 50 pre-programmed numbers right where I left them. And I can still take the handset all over my house and get perfect clarity on my calls without ever wondering where I left all my info. So I want the same sort of home base for all the information I usually store in my smartphone. That's why I created this real-world, screen-free, unlosable family base station. I'm going to keep it together this year if it kills me. Luckily, this DIY family base station is easy to make and beautiful to hang in your home. It reminds me of the refrigerator door when I was a kid. It has our calendar, a grocery list, to-dos, and it never got lost, ever. Maybe my mom was onto something, but sorry Mom, I think this one's a little prettier. Alright, let me show you how to make it. For this project, you will need yarn, twine, thumbtacks, scissors, a ruler, and a corkboard. So first you want to take your ruler and align it along the top of your corkboard, and then you're going to grab a thumbtack and you're going to place it ½ inch from the side of the corkboard and only push it in about halfway. Now you're going to continue until you've reached 10 inches, so that's 20 thumbtacks. So now we're just going to repeat that along the bottom of our corkboard. So another 20 pins ½ an inch apart, and only stick them halfway in. Now you want to grab your twine and we're going to create the warp for our weaving. So you just want to start at one corner, and I'm going to start at the top corner and tie it in a double knot around the first thumbtack. So now you just want to weave it up and down on your thumbtacks. So when you reach the end, you'll cut your twine and then you'll tie it in a double knot around the last thumbtack. Now you have your warp ready to go, but we just need to press all the thumbtacks in to make it nice and tight. Okay, it's time to start weaving. We're going to start with some white yarn and a yarn needle. So we're going to thread our yarn needle, and we're going to cut about a 3-foot piece approximately. So now we're going to start weaving. So you just want to take your yarn needle and go under, over, and leave about a 3-inch tail hanging off the end. So here goes. So as you can see, I've been working on this for a while. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in some of the gaps around my shape. So there's a gap next to my triangle. So let me just do that real quick. So I've reached the end of that section, so I'm just going to trim my yarn and tuck it under. And same with this piece. I'm just going to tuck it in to the back side. Woo! I'm so excited. Okay, I just have one more little section to finish, and I think I'm going to go with navy. Check it out, it's done! So now let's go fill it out with all the other things we need to make our family base station. And here it We have our family calendar, grocery list, little notes and reminders, tickets to the school play. Of course, my daughter's little art creations have to make their way on there. Some things just can't be managed digitally, and now those things will never get lost again. And my family has a place to access everything we all need to know about each other's lives. And everything is right next to our phone, pre-programmed with all the numbers we need for doctor's appointments, babysitters, the school, and of course, Grandma and Grandpa. The VTech cordless phone lets my daughter make calls even though I am a cruel mother and will not allow her to own a cell phone at age 6. It also lets me call Jacinda and have conversations over speakerphone without cutting each other off. This is seriously an amazing feature that you may have overlooked. We never have to go, wait, I'm sorry, what did you say? Oh, you got cut up. You can hear us both talking at the same time. So thank you to VTech for making this awesome cordless phone, sponsoring this DIY video, and inspiring us to participate in a digital detox and create this DIY family base station, which will be the hub of our home.